Ladies and gentlemen, I wish you all a very good morning. It is my great pleasure today to welcome Professor Manish Mundra sir, Founder President of Sai Balaji Education Society and Executive Director IIMS, Dr. Sangeeta Rajput, Director IIMS, and the faculty members and the fellow colleagues to the inaugural and orientation program of the PGDM Batch 2020. I would like to begin with a very good quote by Nelson Mandela, as once he remarked, "Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. A world-class education acts as a passport to a better tomorrow, for knowledge arms tomorrow's generation with the know-how they need to take on the world." So, to begin with the auspicious occasion, I invite Ms. Komal Kumari to invoke the Almighty by reciting the Ganesh Stuti and Saraswati Vandana. I also request all the dignitaries to please come forward to light the auspicious lamp. And I would also request one of the students to please come forward for the lighting the lamp. Thank you. And I would please request everyone to stand for the invocation.
हे शारदे माँ ज्ञानता से हमें तार दे माँ। हे शारदे माँ अज्ञानता से हमें तार दे माँ। तू स्वर की देवी संगीत तुझसे, हर शब्द तेरा हर गीत तुझसे। हम हैं अकेले, हम हैं अधूरे, तेरी शरण में हमें प्यार दे माँ। हे शारदे माँ अज्ञानता से हमें तार दे माँ। मुनियों ने समझी, गुनियों ने जानी, संतों की भाषा आगम की वाणी। हम भी तो समझे, हम भी तो जाने, विद्या का हमको अधिकार दे माँ। हे शारदे माँ अज्ञानता से हमें तार दे माँ।
वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा।
Thank you, everyone. May I please request Professor Manish Mundra sir and Dr. Sangeeta Rajput ma'am to please have a seat on the stage. Thank you. Now I request Dr. Sangeeta Rajput, Director of IIMS, to deliver the welcome address. Please, ma'am.
Thank you, Ayushi. A very good morning and warm welcome to each and every one of you. On behalf of IMS, I have a great pleasure in welcoming Professor Manish Mundada, Founder President Sai Balaji Education Society and Executive Director IMS, respected faculties, staff and my dear students for the orientation program of PGDM batch 2022. At last this beautiful day has arrived. I am sure you all have been eagerly waiting for the same day. Thank you each and every one of you for being here with us today. We are very pleased to welcome you all here on an offline mode. We appreciate your support in smooth conduct of semester 1 sessions and exams on online mode. Also, we are thankful to you all for various festival celebrations with full enthusiasm on online mode. We are expecting the same energy from you all for all the offline conduct of activities and the sessions. We assure you your overall experience over here will be truly memorable. I wish you all the very best for this journey. Thank you.
We now proceed to the oath ceremony. I request all the students to please rise for the oath, and I request Dr. Sangeeta Rajput ma'am, Director IIMS, to administer the oath to the students.
Hope all the students are having oath with them. After I, you will have to take your own name and then you just have to repeat the things. Yes. I take your name. Take this oath and hereby pledge that I shall at all times abide by rules and regulations of Sai Balaji Education Society and its constituent institutions in letter and spirit. I shall forever pronounce the use of non-violence and lawful activities not only during my stay here but also throughout my life. I will ceaselessly promote harmony and brotherhood and uphold the dignity and the equality of men and women. I shall always strive to promote the best interests of my institution and my country while I am developing my career. Jai Hind. Thank you all.
Thank you, ma'am, for your address. Now I request all the faculties to please rise for the oath. I request Professor Manish Mundada sir, Founder President of SBS and Executive Director of IMS, to administer the faculty oath.
Good morning. Okay, before we administer the faculty oath, let me just quickly also, because there are few new faculties are there. Before we do the oath, we will do the felicitation of the faculty. So, students, be seated. Be seated. Please be seated. You all are not faculty, and you all are not the new faculty at all. Okay. All right. So let me just quickly welcome all our new faculty. Some are not new to the institution, but new to your batch. So we quickly just welcome them and felicitate them with a round of applause. Okay, so first of all, we welcome faculty, HOD for Marketing, Dr. Abhay Mishra. Please welcome him. Second, we would like to also welcome Dr. Anil Verma, Professor Anil Verma, very soon to become doctor. So Professor Anil Verma is the HOD for the retail program. Also, we would like to welcome faculty, Professor Mrs. Ayushi Srivastava. Welcome, ma'am. And recently joined the organization, and I think your first day with us today, sir. We welcome you with a wonderful, big round of applause, please. Professor Bharatji Dalal. He is a very well-known finance faculty. He is well-known in the capital markets. He has been, his shows are there on the NDTV Profit and CNBC, and we are very proud that you will be guiding our students and taking them ahead. Thank you once again. Now, without much delay, we would go for the oath. I would request all the faculty, you already are standing, no doubt, yes. So please, and including me, along with you all, I'm also a faculty here. So we'll start the oath. You all are ready? Yes. Ma'am, you also will have to, I know you should have a, just share the copies. Everybody, no exception. At the end also, people are there. Okay. Alright, so I, Manish Mundra, take this oath to render my best to the students and give them the much needed professional knowledge, management inputs, human values, developing them into a true citizen and genuine human being. I will endeavor my best and help others to build happy, healthy, and satisfactory working culture. I would always be able and available in developing the students of this institution and serving the organization under country's interests. Jai Hind. Wish you all a wonderful journey of educating all the future managers. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, I now again invite Professor Manish Mundra, sir, Founder President of SBS and Executive Director IIMS, to deliver the orientation address.
So I am back again. Am I audible to you all at the back? Yes. Very good, thank you. You can switch off the projector. Projector can be switched off. So, although already you have completed your one semester, before I come to you all, let me just quickly thank the organizers and all the student coordinators today. for a wonderful orientation beginning. This is a good beginning. We have not seen the orientation ever in the month of February. Okay, so please give yourself a big round of applause. God has planned something for you all, and I'm sure that will be the best for you all. Okay, so I'm sure very, very soon you will realize how it is going to be best. So our current director, Dr. Sangeeta Rajput, former director, Dr. Tripti Sahu, and all my fellow colleagues, we all have joined today with all of you all on this side, all the students, for your orientation program. Okay. Now, this is not exactly the kind of a platform to give you a speech or something like that. But in short, I want to just welcome you and take you in the journey ahead, how we are going to move ahead. That is my role today with you all. Okay. We started the semester with you all in approximately some of you all, those who started in the first day. What was the, anybody who started from day one? Which day you started your pre-induction program? Anybody pre-induction you attended? Online. Which day? Date? 15 June, very good. So I think there's at least one person who has joined from the, so please give him a big round of applause. The pre-induction started from 15th of June, okay, and I think it went on for how many days? A month or so? Month, yeah, where all the basic fundamentals etc. were covered online with you all, okay. After that, we started with your induction program, which was also online, okay, and then we started with the semester 1 for various divisions, division A, B, C, and then finally the D also in the month of November or so, you all, December something, November?
So
when D division? October end or October, Diwali, yeah. So D division in the October. So phase by phase you all were inducted in the program online. I must really appreciate all the faculty members because irrespective of the absence of the offline mode, I am sure they were holding you all very closely and giving you all the best of knowledge. Do you all agree?
Yes, sir.
So give them again one round of applause. Online they were holding you just like you are in the offline mode. And there were presentations and there were various activities. No doubt the online mode is having its own limitations. No doubt about it. And it is not that we are very proud of online mode or anything like that. But the situation so demanded, and all the faculties, overnight they started preparing themselves in that mode. And some of them were not very IT savvy, some of them were IT savvy. Those who were IT savvy helped the others, and we saw a very good camaraderie between all the faculty members helping each other. Even some of the members helped me also, because last 15 years I never used laptop. Okay, and then I started using the laptop first time. And it was a very wonderful experience, although we don't want anyone else to get that kind of experience ever in their life, the pandemic. But we learned the best out of in the worst situations also, right? And the best was proven when you all are now already completed your internships, winter internships. Some of you all have already completed, some are in the final few days of your internship. Very successfully we have completed the winter internship, and let me tell you all my friends over here that we are the only institute who has successfully completed winter internship in the entire, I don't even say Pune city, but I can say proudly that in the entire Maharashtra state, we are the only institute who have, you all are the only batch who have completed successfully, not only completed, successfully completed, okay, and got knowledge also out of it, okay. There was a plan, because we have a plan in our PGDM program. We have a flow of the program. There is a certain induction, then the first semester, then the winter internship, the second semester, the summer internship, the third semester, the final placement. We have entirely planned everything. When suddenly the situation came, so everybody was worried how it will happen.
There are still many things we could not do, like cultural events, offline, etc. But still, whatever we could do, keeping in mind and following the constitution and following the government rules, we did. We did. And your batch has really supported so well. Successfully, you have done everything what the faculties, your HODs, your mentors have told you. Okay? So having said that, a successful online one semester and online, some of you all have done online and some have done offline internship also, right? How many of you all here have done offline winter internship? Okay, very good. So almost 40-50% people have done offline. That's very nice. So you already have the experience now of how industry, what the industry wants, okay, and what the academics want. They already have told you in the semester, okay. Each and every day, each and every lecture, each and every session was very closely monitored by me as well as the former director, Dr. Tripti Sahu, and now the current director, Dr. Sangeeta Ma'am. Everybody has been observing each and every session. So I can definitely tell you that justice has been done and knowledge has been delivered to each one of you. The syllabus has been successfully completed and the faculties have not left any stone unturned. All the case studies, everything that was supposed to be covered, they have covered. And whatever they could not do because of the online mode limitation, they are going to cover it in the second semester. Now, as they have been telling you in the lectures during their various things, they will be covering it now. Having said all those things, now this semester, semester 2, 15th of February, what a day the government of Maharashtra also decided to start the offline classes, okay? Because see, today is also a very auspicious day as the Ganesh Jayanti. जो गणेश जी का birthday है, such a big occasion, okay? And that beautiful day has been selected. I don't know whether it's a coincidence or whether it was a planned activity, because knowledge is directly proportional. Directly proportional to नहीं बोल सकते, but you usually have the habit of calling everything directly proportional. Knowledge is associated in at least the Hindu religion with Lord Ganesha, right? And today's birthday, so you're starting your journey on a very auspicious Ganesh Jayanti, Ganesh Janam today. Okay? So I'm sure it's going to be a very beautiful journey ahead now. What awaits you all in the future, in this next 2 semesters, is what I would be like, trying to tell you in a limited time, because I have to go to other 2 institutes also. In limited time, and then don't worry, because I will be here only and I'll be there with you all for a long, long time. Okay? So there is nothing to worry कि ऐसे कोई यहाँ पे celebrity ऋतिक रोशन आके 5 मिनट डांस करके गया, ऐसा नहीं. I'm going to be there with you. इतना be with you कि you will say अरे जाओ यार, थोड़ा हमको भी आराम करो. So I'm going to be with presentations. I'll be with you all with winter internship presentation. Everything and anything whatever possible in my role, I would like to be, because I like to work very closely, and as long as the Almighty allows me to work very closely with all my students, I will continue to work like that. That is how we are going to proceed in this semester. Considering now we are going to the semester 2, in this semester, what is the syllabus, what exactly everything is there, HODs will explain to you all after whatever I finish my discussion with you all today. But in this semester, you will have some important areas where you have to focus. Okay? What are the important areas? So first important area is no doubt to always still remember that we are still at the tail of the pandemic. It is not completely over. Okay? So we need to follow the basic guidelines given by the WHO and the government of Maharashtra and the state of government of India and everybody. The basic guidelines, okay, which you already have been staying in. Most of you all have been staying in the hostel for last 2-3 months now. You already know what I am talking about. So that is the first thing we should do. Second important thing is your summer internship interviews. You already are aware that recently our students have given the summer internship interview, the first of it in your batch for the Deloitte company. And around 6 students were selected, 5 from IMS. So please give them a big round of applause. Yes, Ayushi, you are there one. Then there are others also here. So 5 of you all from this institute, 1 from there. So we have begin our journey of summer internship placements with that company, Deloitte. Now already Asian Paints has been announced for you all, Mondelez has been announced for you all, and every day companies will be announced. So you have to be very active, alert. You have no time for not being active. You have all the time to remain active. You have all the time to be very, very energetic, enthusiastic, celebrate every event, do whatever you want, but in the campus, along with the faculty, along with all your colleagues. Nothing, there's no other time for you. So you have to apply. You should not miss any deadlines for applying, okay? You have to make sure your CVs are updated, because you all have made CVs in the semester 1, but now you have already completed your winter internship. So you will have to add your winter internship data to your CV, okay? Which you will do it along with the HODs of your respective specializations and some bullet points, etc. Then submit it to the placement department, and they will give you some corrections, etc. etc. What is the role of semester 2? The semester 1 had a very important role. It was the role of semester 1 was to build the foundations for this beautiful program of management which you all are doing. The semester 2 it's like a relay race, you know, the 4 into 100 relay race. So this is the second lap. We have to take the lead here, and a very, very important moment after the semester 2 waits for you is the summer internship. Usually it has been observed in the past. Even last year, I think out of 8 students, 7 got the PPO from Deloitte, okay? And many other companies also, students got PPO. Every year around 20 to 30% students get PPO, okay? So summer internship is a very, very important opportunity for you to prove yourself. On the basis of a lot of research of so many years, this is our 15th year going on, still we consider ourselves very young, we are very inexperienced as compared. But still, we have done a lot of research, and we realized that 2 months summer internship, you know, which is not enough. That's why we started with the winter internship also, and also started with the summer internship, which is at least of 3 months, okay? And minimum 2 months, not at least, we can say maximum of 3 months, minimum of 2 months, okay? Because some companies have standard policies of 2 months internship. Why is the duration bigger than this? Because usually we feel as more and more we can make this program more practical as much as possible, create the necessary employability and entrepreneurial skills in you all. It will be good for us, good for you and good for the institute also. So you will be able to crack higher package companies, you will be able to crack good companies, you will be able to get PPOs in the companies where you are taking your internship. Okay. So here, to crack any good company, you need the basic, the CV in place. You need the basic communication skills in place. Okay. You need the basic knowledge in place, whatever knowledge is supposed to be there, which you will be getting in this semester. And over and above the knowledge and over and above everything, your physical presence always is most important. So there is no scope now. See, this is a very, very clear thing which I am telling you, and this is my role that I have to tell you this on day 1, February 15th. And now we have also decided in the last 1 week that we will be extending the semester to May 15th. Okay? Earlier we were planning to send you on May 1st for summer internship, now May 15th. 3 months time is only there with you. 3 months time. Okay? In these 3 months now, at least 3 months, do not come with the leave application unless and until there is an emergency. That somebody is really, without you the world cannot move. ऐसी कोई emergency है, उसके बिना. Don't come for little things to the director or to these other people here. कि ये मुझे leave है, मुझे जाना है, मुझे ऐसा है, मुझे वैसा. कुछ नहीं है. 3 months dedicated. You need to be present in the classroom. If you really want to become a successful, good professional, forget about placement. Placement everybody gets, that's not a question. Not about placement, but if you really want to succeed after getting placed also, you should be able to perform there. You should be able to become a top performer as compared to other institute students. For that, you really need a good knowledge base. You really need good support. You really need psychological, mental, and every way support from this institute. And for that, you have to be present. I'm telling you, this is my role. This is being recorded. I'm declaring it very clearly to you. Whoever will follow this rule, the institute is going to stand with you all in every, all hard times, in every time, any challenging time of your career. But if you do not follow, then morally we are not responsible for your career. We still will be responsible as an institute, but morally no. All the faculties also here, you all also here. Make it a point now. Do not behave like a small child. Okay? Like some of you all maybe, like I am looking at Samvit, so he is also worried why I am looking at him. You are a post holder also of road track. But now you are staying, for example, in Mumbai, nearby, Thane, suppose. So, it's nearby. That doesn't mean every weekend you should go. No. Example I'm giving. Okay? Example. So, you have to be. Everybody. Whoever, even if some people are staying in Pune or wherever you are staying, make sure that dedication is very, very important. Commitment is very important. Okay? We were I'm very frankly telling you, although most of you all supported the online mode also, but we were very, very helpless in some situations where people just used to say, data is problem, I'm not able to connect, and here we are waiting, presentation though. Sir, I am not able to connect, my video is not on, or something. पता चला वहाँ पे आप एकदम आराम से सो के बात करें. Video is not. We were very, very helpless. But now offline में helpless नहीं है. Now we are Mr. Biswal थोड़े दिन में plaster निकलने वाला. He'll be able to run along with you. Okay? So make sure that this journey has to become a very beautiful journey. That only can happen when we are together. Okay? When the faculty, the student, me, the director, we all work together. Then only we can create, because we have a lot of ideas, I'm telling you. All these faculty here, आपको दिख रहे ऐसे, they have so many things they have planned for you all. For last 45 days when you were doing your winter internship, they were doing their homework also. They have planned so many activities. Marketing HOD has planned something, the placement cell has planned the marketing conclave on this Saturday, the coming Saturday. Everything is planned. But all these things will be successful only when you cooperate. Cooperate means you be present and stop making little excuses कि I was here, I was there, he was not well, she was not well. ये सब नहीं चाहिए. We have to be focused. Okay? If you are focused, then I am there with you, everybody is there with you, don't worry about it. Clear? So our first important goal, we have to all set a goal. You have learned how to set goals in semester 1. So most important goal in the beginning, first one is to make sure that each one of you should try to get a good summer internship for yourself. Make a portfolio. Make a portfolio of 4 or 5 good companies that you would like to, crack for this summer internship. Don't make only one. Do not be so overconfident that this company only. ऐसा नहीं होता है. कभी-कभी you may not get shortlisted also. You have to keep backup. Again, related to this summer internship, etc. Again, there will be a longer session which I will be taking along with your specialization wise. So let's not go into details. But in short, first summer internship goal you have to set. Clear? Everybody? Yes, sir. Okay. The second important thing is the learnings. The learnings mein kya hai? See, there are already some of you all are from A division, B division, C division, D division, etc. Those divisions are over from today because now the divisions are again shuffled based on your specialization. Okay? So again, you have an opportunity to make new friends because some of you all, I'm sure you may be, but some of you all may not know, like somebody is in the division A may not know somebody in the division D so well. But now again you have an opportunity to meet similar means at least the specialization wise somebody who is more focused, all finance specialization together, all HR, operations, analytics together, something like that. So you have again being shuffled here for divisions, okay? So you have to focus, you have to get along with each other. Don't be, say, no, my friend is there, so I want to change my specialization. ऐसे नहीं होता, ये career है. Okay, now you have done your winter internship, you have completed your 1 semester. There's no scope for anything now. No scope for changing division, no scope for anything. Unless and until you have, not done your winter internship, or you really feel that after doing your winter internship, I can't in this specialization. And you cry at least for 2 hours. Then we'll come. 2 hours minimum. Okay, 1 minute we come, we will not change your specialization. Okay, we'll record it. Crying. Clear? Any questions, please? Any questions? I am available here in front of you. This orientation is a very beautiful day we have started. Once again, I welcome you to this particular PGDM 2022 batch. There will be no stone unturned. Don't worry. Online में भी हमने किसी stone को नहीं छोड़ा. Offline में तो you don't worry at all. Okay? Clear? Very good. Thank you very much for this opportunity. All the best.
Thank you so much, sir, for your wonderful.
Yeah, it was much needed.
Thank you so much, sir, for your wonderful address to all the students here. Okay, so moving forward, I would now please invite Ishan Singh to deliver the vote of thanks.
Good morning, everybody. On behalf of IMS, it's my pleasure to propose the vote of thanks. I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude towards Professor Manish Mundhra sir, Executive Director IMS. I would also like to thank Dr. Sangeeta Rajput, Director IMS, and the faculty members. Also, a huge thanks to my fellow colleagues for being present here today. Thank you.
I would now please request the audience to rise for the Pasaidan prayer.
भूता भजिजो आदिपुरुषी अखंडित आणि ग्रंथोपजीवी विशेषी लोकीये दृष्टा दृष्ट विजये होणारे जी येथ म्हणी श्री विश्वेश्वरा हा होईल दान पसावो येणे वरे ज्ञान देवो सुखी
Thank you everyone. Ladies and gentlemen, we now have come to the end of the inaugural ceremony. I request the students to resume to the classes, and as of now, students are please requested to be seated here. Thank you so much everyone.